4DRC 4DF3 drone with camera, GPS, 4K HD camera, 30 minutes flight time, follow me mode, 90 degrees adjustable, dual camera, real-time transmission, foldable, altitude maintenance, auto return mode, altitude hold, storage case. 4K camera and 2.4 GHz image transmission. The HD camera captures incredible clarity with photos, 3840x2160. 2.4 GHz transmission. The beautiful scenes often send back to clear phone. 90 degrees adjustable angle allows for a wider field of view. Front camera plus lower camera. GPS auto recovery and follow me. The drone has a GPS positioning function that can automatically follow pilots. When the signal is lost or powered, press the return key once and it will automatically return to the takeoff point. Easy to activate features such as altitude hold and headless mode. Worry-free flying, better shot. Easy to use for custom flights, the drone can be auto-hovering. By setting points on the app screen, you can focus on more creative and wonderful photos by tapping several points to design the flight path or always drawing a circle with the camera for the same point. It can fly where you can't reach. Foldable and rechargeable, up to 30 minutes. The drone arm and propeller are both foldable. Made of sturdy materials, the HS270 will always be a surprise on your journey. Helps you capture amazing selfies or panoramic views looking down from the sky. Connection flight standards. The drone requires an iOS system 7.0 or later and 1G of memory or higher. Android system needs to check the dual frequency parameter settings to connect. Very strong wind resistance can withstand outdoor combat. The transmission range of FPV is up to 1300 Fort and the control range is up to 1968 Fort. Smart battery with LED light and remaining power can be used for 25 minutes.